Good afternoon, everybody. It's Mike. It is Wednesday, the 10th of May. This is our weekly midweek recap. It's been kind of a really interesting day. We gapped down the SPY. This was when our CPI number came out, and we had a huge move up to 414.91. This number was not great. It was in line. It was higher than last month. The only thing that was good was year over year, we're down 0.1% on inflation. A lot of it's being blamed on new car sales and used car sales, and that's why I think they bought it back. But you can see the high was on the open, and ever since then we went down. We put a new low in at 409. By the way, there was no news here for this dump, and now we've worked our way back all the way up to 413.50. And you had a wide range candle today, but ultimately we kind of held in here. We came down, we kissed the gap that we made last week here, so that gap still remains unfilled. All right, volume picked up today compared to the last couple of days. By the way, we're at 71 million shares. Yesterday, we only did 49 million shares. The Qs continue to be, the strong index continues to break out, continues to work its way higher here. So what was in play today? It depended on times of the day, but it's really being big tech that's leading. So, out of the gate, you had AMD. When I traded AMD a couple times, nice move. We talked about getting to 100. It missed it by 6 cents. It's come off here, gotten quiet, but nice move here. This is a big move on AMD. May need a session or two to work on that one. Amazon gave a nice trade today. Highs of the day now. Gave a nice opening trade out of the gate. Pushed all the way up to 110. Went sideways and now put highs of the day in. Microsoft, which gave me fits yesterday. Big move, new range highs here, 315, almost 316 next target as that one continues to wake up there. Roblex, which had a hideous report on under the covers, reversed all well off the lows. And look at the size of this reversal here in the pre-market, all the way down to 31.50, all the way up here, just shy of 40 now. And I guess they decided they like this report better. I mean, I would love to tell you I haven't had a chance to dive into it, but that gave a pretty nice move here. What else today, guys, was strong? Big tech names, Apple held in, didn't do much, but holding nicely in the range. NVIDIA, same thing, held in, didn't do much. Same thing with Meta, held in, didn't do much today. And then there's Google. So Google here just put a new range high and breaking out at their I/O presentation today, where they presented a lot on generative AI and some very cool features. Now, most of what they showed was slideshows, but they did some real-time queries and stuff, and it worked well. They also displayed their new Pixel 7a and their foldable Pixel phone and a new Pixel tablet. And, this was very tradable today. You had an opening move out of the gate up here to the 109.75 area, came down. Initial launch, I traded this one here, made nice money, came back in, took it again when it took out 110.07, made nice money again, and you got a very big push up here to 112.94. So, not a bad day. So what do we get tomorrow? We have PPI final tomorrow before the open. That will tell us what's going on there. For earnings tonight, we have a host of mostly lower tier names. Disney being the best in the breed at coming out, but then you have Unity, TTD, Sonos, Hood, and Beyond Meat. Unity is interesting. We had a big call buyer in Unity today, out of nowhere in weekly. So somebody bet the farm that Unity is going to have a big report tonight. So we'll keep our eyes on that and see how that works. But they trade the weekly 32 calls, over 5,000 of them. Very strange, spiked on that order. We'll see how it trades out here once we get through this. So with that said, I hope you're all doing well. If you want to join us, smartoptiontrading.com, link in the description below. Everybody else staying late with you for earnings. We're going to be trading tonight, and then we'll see what we get in the morning. Room open at 8:20 tomorrow for PPI. Catch you in the AM.